Ripple versus SEC. Is this the best time to invest in XRP? San Francisco cryptocurrency company Ripple is still navigating hot waters in a long-running battle with the SEC over selling unregistered securities of its cryptocurrency XRP. The SEC lawsuit filed in December accuses Ripple of violating federal securities laws. The company sold more than 14.6 billion units of XRP for $1.38 billion to fund Ripple's operations and to enrich its founders and current CEO without registering those offers and sales of XRP with the Commission. That's according to the lawsuit. But with Ripple's Herculean legal team, they have a strong chance of coming out of this lawsuit squat-free. This is striking investors as the perfect opportunity to invest in XRP for stupendous gains. For a good grasp of the matter, let's take a look at the timeline of events following this lawsuit. In December, SEC filed a lawsuit stating Ripple CEO and founders profited from XRP sales. January 29th, Ripple claims that they don't fall under SEC jurisdictions as they're not a security. April 9th, the court denies SEC's request for Ripple's financial records. On July 15th, the court accepted Ripple's request to sack SEC officials over agency objections. Since the complaint was filed, Ripple has retained more than 24 prominent lawyers for its defense. This case has received a lot of negative attention for Ripple and led to an 80% crash in XRP's market price. Ripple's attorneys have won several points during the discovery period as follows. The SEC asked for bank records for Garlinghouse and Larson to get a clearer picture of how much money they've made from XRP sales. Ripple's lawyers said this was pure regulatory overreach, and NetBurn agreed. Ripple's lawyers asked for some communications among SEC staff about XRP, Ether, and Bitcoin. NetBurn granted that request over the SEC's objections. The SEC asked to see messages among Garlinghouse, Larson, and attorneys who allegedly warned them that XRP could be considered a security. NetBurn didn't allow it. Garlinghouse and Larson asked the court to issue letters of request for international judicial assistance to central authorities of the United Kingdom, Northern Ireland, the Cayman Islands, the British Virgin Islands, Hong Kong, Singapore, Seychelles, Korea, and Malta. NetBurn allowed it. It would seem that the tide is in Ripple's favor and smooth sailing is predicted. The impact for this decision will be terminal for legislation on cryptocurrency and the crypto market. Following these key developments in the case, XRP prices have risen by 18% just in the last 24 hours. XRP prices surged by 77.39% to 91 cents after bottoming out at 0.514 on July 20th. So what does all this mean for the investors? Could right now be the perfect time to double up on XRP? Well, according to a classic technical chart setup dubbed as double bottom, XRP prices could rise to $1 in the next few days. The 38% gain over the 8 days to yesterday outperformed the previous bounces during the corrective process. Ripple still faces stiff resistance, but it has created a huge amount of momentum that could strike a breakout over 0.775 and launch the international settlements token to $1 in the immediate future. XRP can further rise due to the recent announcement by crypto exchange KickX to list the token for trading on its platform. XRP will be made available to the exchange's users starting today, and the news could drive up the trading activity of the token. The future of XRP is on the up, and its track record is not as bad as its legal troubles. When Bitcoin prices rallied 59% in July to August, XRP price climbed 63%, suggesting that altcoins outperformed big crypto. The same trend can be seen with Ethereum and other altcoins, which indicates that altcoins are due for a massive run-up, as the crypto market garners its surges and falls based on the leading coins' prices. There are places for doubt in XRP bullish gains. It's not all rainbows and unicorns, as it could be a rejection of the channel's midpoint. If the selling pressure spikes, shattering 0.771 and producing a decisive daily candlestick close below it, it will invalidate the optimistic narrative detailed previously. This move would set a lower low and trigger a potential retest of the parallel channel's lower trend line around 0.651. In addition, the inability of the buyers to push through the second hurdle at $1.09 will indicate weakness. This development could push XRP price down to 0.771, where the bulls could take another jab at the climb. So the negatives have most certainly not disappeared and all possibilities are open. And moving in a new direction, Ripple is currently looking into NFTs, and this could surely stabilize XRP's current market. David Schwartz, Ripple's chief technology officer, said in the Ripple Drop video this week that while collectibles are the biggest NFT use case today, he sees a lot of potential for NFTs in other areas. A lot of us have bundles of digital rights like movies or songs that we purchase, books that we may have, or a Kindle, and they're typically tied to services that have monthly fees. The XRP Ledger has several features that make it very desirable for NFTs, including low cost and high speed, Schwartz said. XRP is also directly available on the ledger, so a user doesn't need to go to another ledger to make the payment, increasing efficiency for users. Ripple has, in addition, partnered up with the Japanese money firm SBI Remit. The Asian Pacific region is one of the fastest growing for Ripple, with transactions now up by 130% year over year and driven mainly by existing RippleNet customers and new connections. Ripple continues to grow in Asia despite its regulatory challenges with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The partnership is also an excellent one because the Thai population in South Korea is the third largest in terms of foreign influence behind China and Vietnam. By using the technology, GME Remittance wants to connect with existing RippleNet customers to expand into other remittance corridors across the region and globally, including Europe and the United States. Ripple also aims to build on the 40% stake acquired in Asian remittance company Tranglo to cement its position in the continent. Having already partnered with major financial institutions like TransferGo, Santander, Azimo, and Neum, could help launch the company's initiative to make transactions between Japan and the Philippines easier. XRP will be launching the very first on-demand liquidity or ODL offering in Japan. XRP's Asian venture can generate value and initiate a token price surge. Getting in now could be a good move for investors. But here's the bottom line. The SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, which started in December 2020, damaged XRP's investment prospects. XRP's value fell by almost 80% in a month to 0.168. It also faced delisting across regulated exchanges including Coinbase, Bitstamp, Crypto.com, OKCoin, and WireX. Ripple's XRP is currently available to buy on eToro, Coinbase, Binance, and many others once more. Redirection by Ripple leadership is proving great for XRP's market value as prices are rising once again and are expected to break the current market cap. XRP's utility does not have any competition and cannot be praised more. In addition, the company's plans to go public after the SEC's exasperating investigation into their cryptocurrency, the future for Ripple's XRP looks fortunate and promising.